How to fix Instagram Insights problem. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Insights option on Instagram. So all what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone right here. As you can see, now go to the apps manager and then go to the apps again from here and go to Instagram. And after that, all what you have to do here on this page is simple. Just click on this force stop option and then click on the storage, click on clear data and go back, click on the permissions and make sure to enable all those permissions right here, and then go back and restart your phone and then reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.